Good morning children, everyone, and we have completed yesterday this page in your English textbook, page number 41 children. We have learned this, we have gone through this words also. Now page number 42. Okay, now here what they are saying for the class 5th children, this is the English textbooks. Please all of you open so that we can learn. Ajay quickly got up to make sure Manku follow his instructions. Okay, so yesterday what we have seen that Manku robot is he is interrupting between the conversation between the Ajay and Ajay's father, right? But what happened next? After a while, what has happened? Ajay's father came and he said that you have to concentrate on your studies and you have to do the maths project. After a while, he sat down in the front of computer and he said that he instructed the robot, that is Manku, that please continue with your cleaning. Okay, so now what has happened? Now he is assured that whether the Manku robot is doing his instructions, listening the instructions or not. Okay, not here sir, correction, you are here. Oh my goodness, now he is becoming like, oh, what has happened here? Yes, oh my goodness. Then the doorbell rang again. Ajay, what is the matter? Why isn't Minku answering the doorbell? Oh really, you make me sick, Manku. So what happened here? The doorbell rang again. First doorbell was, he was thinking that maybe his friend Dinesh is there, and he instructed to Manku that no need to open the door. But now the doorbell has been rung again, and then what has happened? His friend, whose friend? Ajay's friend. He is saying that, Ajay, what's the matter? Why isn't Manku answering the doorbell? He's asked like that. Oh really, you make me sick, Manku. Now he is blaming on Manku. You make me sick? What it's mean, children? Here upset me. Here upset means the Ajay is getting upset because of Manku. Yes. As always, Manku took him literally. Took him literally means did not understand what he actually meant. It means whatever we are giving the instructions to the robot, they are just going with them in a easy manner. They won't think because they are unable to think. Even though we are feeling, we are saying that you make me sick, they are understanding in the other way. Yes. Yes, so as always Manku took him literally. Okay, did not understand what he actually meant. So you make me sick means who are sick? Those who are suffering from anything, they are sick. Now we will see what has happened in this. Okay. Sick sir, shall I call the doctor? See what the Manku has understand, that he is suffering from some disease, and shall I call the doctor? He is saying, oh Manku, do not call a doctor, open the front door. Now he has given the clear instructions that do not call a doctor, open the front door. Order received sir, command being processed sir. So now who has received the order? Manku. What it is saying? Order received, command has been command being processed sir. So that the instruction done by the Ajay. Manku opened the door. Ajay recognized his friend Tariq's voice. It wasn't Dinesh. So here Tariq was there. When he opened the door, when the Manku opened the door, who was there? That is not Dinesh, that's Tariq. He is also Ajay's friend. And Manku opened the door and Ajay recognized, he has identified that it is Tariq, not Dinesh. Now the Tariq has been entered into the Ajay's house. Hi Tariq, how nice to see you. It was bored today. I was bored today. So now what the Ajay is saying to the Tariq. Hi Tariq, how are you? And it is very nice to see you. I was bored today. Correction sir, you are feeling sick. So here Manku has interpreted between their conversation also. Correction sir, you are feeling sick. Who is saying this? Manku, because he has understand what somebody is feeling uneasy and sick, that is the reason he wants to call a doctor. So Tariq looked at Ajay. Now because when he said that, when he observed that Manku is saying that you are feeling sick sir, then he is staring at Ajay in a different manner. Aren't you well Ajay? So what he is saying? He is saying that are you feeling good or not Ajay? He is saying like that. No, I am fine. Now Ajay is saying that no, I am fine. Correction sir, you said you were feeling sick. I'll call a doctor. So when the Ajay said in the previous one, you make me sick, that robot has literally taken it and he is saying that you are feeling sick, I'll call the doctor. Okay children, I think this much you have understand. Okay, now we will see the next one in the next part. Okay children, take care children, bye.